Movie The Unforgivable News. First look at Sandra Bullock's movie comeback in new Netflix drama. If you have been feeling a significant emptiness in your life lately, but you can't quite figure out why, I'm here to give you some potential insight. It has been 3 years, since Sandra Bullock last graced the screen with her role as Mallory in Bird Box. Now, Bullock is back, and her comeback role couldn't be more explosive. In Netflix's upcoming drama The Unforgivable, Bullock plays Ruth Slater, a woman who was recently released from prison after serving 20 years for murder. It was not an accident, but a cut-and-dry murder. In her attempt to return to society and lead a normal life, Ruth discovers that her community is not willing to forgive and forget. So she embarks on a journey to find her little sister, who she has been estranged from since the day of the crime. The film is directed by Nora Finkscheid, System Crashed, and written by Peter Craig, The Town, Hilary Seats, Insomnia, and Courtney Miles, Mindhunter. It is based on a popular 2009 British miniseries called Unforgiven, written by Sally Wainwright. Also in the cast is Viola Davis, Eileen Franciosi, Rob Morgan, Vincent D'Onofrio, John Bernthal, Richard Thomas, Linda Edmond, W. Earl Brown, and Emma Nelson. Sandra Bullock and Surani Jones have more in common than you might think. Exhibit A. Our first look at Netflix's new movie The Unforgivable. A total of 13 years after the miniseries Unforgiven first aired on ITV, Netflix has dropped a trailer of Bullock in action in Jones' original role. Based on Sally Wainwright's drama of the same name, the Gravity actress stars as Ruth Slater, a woman seeking redemption after spending years in prison for a violent crime. The 2009 series saw Vigils Jones playing Ruth, who was found guilty of murdering two police officers when she was a teenager. After her release from prison, she seeks out her sister, who was adopted shortly after the incident. From our first look, The Unforgivable seems to be following a similar path, albeit no longer in Unforgiven's original location of Halifax, West Yorkshire. Viola Davis, Vincent D'Onofrio, and John Bernthal co-star in the film, which launches on Netflix on 10th December. The Unforgivable marks Sandra Bullock's return to the big screen since her last collaboration with Netflix in Bird Box, although the Oscar-winning actress is also set to feature in the upcoming Lost City of D and Bullet Train. Bullock's role in Bullet Train was first announced last year, but back in August, it was confirmed that she would be taking over from Lady Gaga, who exited the project due to scheduling conflicts with Ridley Scott's biopic House of Gucci. The action thriller, adapted from a Japanese best-selling novel, initially cast Bullock in an undisclosed role before lining her up as Maria Beetle, the handler of Brad Pitt's character. Directed by David Leitch and based on Qatar Iska's novel, Bullet Train follows a group of assassins, each tasked with a different mission, who board the same high-speed train and quickly realize that their individual assignments are all interconnected. The Unforgivable arrives on Netflix on 10th December.